morning, everyone. So today we're at the Boats Afloat show here on Lake Union. We're going to take you through a number of boats, including some sailboats and some yachts. So come along.
You, but that would be a lie. Dark clouds appear, welcoming me home. I don't belong here. Dark clouds appear, welcoming me home. This time you crush me, I'm numb inside. The lights have all faded, my life's become jaded. Dark clouds appear, welcoming.
Whenever Scott and I are at a boat show, it's always fun to go check out the ultimate dream boat. Now, not to say that this one would be it, but pretty close too. This is a 67-foot Regency yacht called Conundrum. It's a 2007, and it was only $1.395 million.
Dark clouds appear, welcome home.
Everyone has been recommending that we look at trawlers for a liveaboard, so we finally decided to take a peek at the 2003 Celine 53-footer. This was a beautiful boat. Of course, it's way out of our price point, but we decided to take a look at it anyways. This is the type of boat that you would take across an ocean. This thing is sturdy and beautiful at the same time. I would definitely be confident to take this in rough waters. But in the end, is it something I actually want to live on, knowing it's probably not going to leave the port that often? And the answer, unfortunately, is no. This was the 40th annual Boat to Float show, and also one of the last for a very long time, as Vulcan will be developing this whole marina and the businesses around it. For kicks and giggles, we decided to look at a sailboat as well. We're not interested in a monohull, but this was a beautiful boat and we decided to check it out. We're hoping our friends Nick and Michelle will buy it. It's certainly something that they like.
Oh, can we say hello? Hi, sweetheart. Oh, a Goldie for the day.
Of course, since we're looking to retire on a catamaran, we had to check out the only catamaran that was in the boat show this year. This catamaran was set up as an owner's version with one berth on the starboard side and 2 staterooms on the port side. Thank you again for following us. Be sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking below and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Boating Journey. Stay tuned for our next story.